Hey guys, it's Andrew from Midshire TV. So guys, today we'll be showing you how to add applications to your Microsoft Teams. Let's go. So this is really good because it allows you to customize your Microsoft Teams a little. I know you can't put custom themes on it, but you can add applications. Now, what apps do you ask? You can add YouTube, Wikipedia, Microsoft Flow, and I believe there's over a catalog of 200 plus applications that you can download. There are two specific ways you can add apps to Microsoft Teams. First off, you can choose apps from the left-hand side of Teams and then search for your app and add it there. You will then see the app appear in the sidebar. Secondly, you can add apps from the messaging area. These apps in the messaging area allow you to insert content directly into your Microsoft Teams messages. You can do this by selecting the three dots at the bottom of the box where you normally type in your message and then choose your app. And there you have it guys, now you'll know how to add applications to your Microsoft Teams. Guys, if you require any further videos on Microsoft Teams, please let us know in the comment section below what videos you'll need, and make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. And if you require any further training videos or further help, please check out the training videos or give us a call on 08000 322 322. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and just remember, we are the business communication experts.